Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. At first, we tried to get to know each other. I learned many things about him. En premier, nous commence con second, Mone, aprane, beaucoup, zafer, lit. Above all, I liked his way of talking and the way he thinks. He is a very straightforward kind of person. En tout, Mone kontan sur fason qu'il kozé et fason qu'il pensé. Li en personne qui bien fron. Every day we would talk on phone for hours. At home, I had to talk to him discreetly and slowly so that no one knows about him. Toulezour, nous typons kozé le téléphone par leurtemps. Lakaz, me type cause écrit en cashiet et doucement. Côte personne, beaucoup lit. Abishek would even come to meet me after school hours and we would have a nice time together. Abishek typait même vin soin de moi après l'école et nous typait passe un bon moment ensemble. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.